Guys, what's up? Welcome to another fantastic video. Guys, in today's video we are going to be creating an e-commerce website using Google Sites. So I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know from the very first step to the last very step. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel, turn on the bell notification icon. Please subscribe, because I'm going to be dropping a lot of videos about different things you can do with different sites. Okay, so this is going to be beneficial to you, and I'm also going to show you different payment gateways and the likes. So subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification icon so that you won't miss any video once we drop them on the channel. So like I said, we are going to be creating an e-commerce website using Google Sites. That site is going to be, the site we're going to be creating is going to, be similar to what we have here. This is actually created with Google Sites, and right here, as you can see, it's saying here that the site is not published yet, and we are viewing an unpublished site, which I know because I just started creating this stuff. So I want to show you exactly how to set this thing up easily, and everything we're going to be doing is for free, so you don't need to worry about anything. So as you can see here, we're going to have our products. Once we have our products here, you can actually view the products. You're going to find the product information, as you can see here, and the good thing is you can actually add this product to cart. Once you've added it to cart, you can go proceed to checkout. So this platform actually has everything a proper e-commerce website should have. Okay, so it has the normal e-commerce page, checkout, cart page, even an account page, so we are going to manage your orders. Okay, so as you can see here, we can go ahead to enter our email address and check out, and we're going to make payments. So that means this platform also comes with a payment gateway. So these things are the things we're going to be looking at in this video. So as you can see, look at the account page. If you click on account, it's actually going to take you to my account page. So if you have an account, you just sign in, but if you don't have, enter your email address and it's going to give you a link to sign up. Okay, so that's how easy this platform is. And at the end of the day, if you follow through this tutorial, you're going to be you're going to have your own e-commerce website using Google Sites. Okay, so now that's it. All we just need to do is to come here and go to sites.google.com. So go to Chrome or go to your browser and search for sites.google.com. And once you go to sites.google.com, it's going to take you to the Google Sites page. Right here, make sure you've logged in your email address on this corner. Make sure your email address is already logged in. Now after that, because this website is actually going to be stored on your Google Drive, which you need your email address, your Google account, for you to access all of this info. So now once we are here already, all you just need to do now is, I'm going to be working with a blank canvas, or you can actually work with a premium template that they have, but I will work with a blank canvas here. So now we just need to enter the site's title, and in this series, or in this particular one, I'm going to say this is Cool Store. I'm going to say this is the title. I'm going to call it Cool Store 2. So because I already have one. Okay, so I'm going to change the font to Arial, and I'm going to position it. Okay, it's on the center already. So this is the title. So right now we need to put an image, an header image. So I'm going to click on image, click on select. So if you have an image you want to use already, you can go ahead to upload it. But if you don't have one, you can actually select one from the varieties of options they have. Now in this case, I'm working with this one, so let me just continue working with this, because this is exactly what I showed you in the beginning of this video. So once you have done that, you've entered it, very easy, simple and direct. Then the next thing you need to do is to come over here, and you can either upload your logo or just write your site shortcut. So in my case, I'm going to just say KS2. I'm going to just call this KS2, which is Cool Store 2. So you can actually upload a logo like I told you. Now in this step, now if you watch the one I've created previously, it actually has pages. As you can see, there's home, contact us, about us, products, and you can have as many pages as you want, even return policy, privacy policy. You can have all of those pages easily. And how can you add page? Just come over here, just come over here. You're going to see this section that says here pages. So this is what you want to click on. Now once you click on page, you're going to see we only have our own page. Now if you scroll down, you're going to see this button, and then now we can select new page. So once we do that, it's going to pull up this stuff. So let me just bring this down. Okay, click on it again. So we're going to call our new page about us. So this is the about us page. So you can add as many as you want or as many as possible. So I'm going to say contact us. So yes, these ones are okay for me. You can add as many as you want. Now once you've added all of these pages, I'm going to go back to the home page, and now we can continue our editing. And what we just need to do is to add our products. Now I'm going to introduce you a platform called Ecwid. Now Ecwid is actually a platform that actually allows you to sell online. So why are we using Ecwid? We are using Ecwid because it's actually easy for you to upload your product. So what is going to happen is Ecwid is going to be managing the orders for you. So they will manage all the orders you'll be getting from the platform. So from Ecwid will be the backend. Okay, so let's continue. So all we just need to do now is to create an account if you don't have an account with Ecwid here, or you sign up. Like I told you, Ecwid is actually an e-commerce platform where you can actually use to buy and sell your product or services. Okay, so I'm going to sign in. Once I'm in now, we continue. So all we just need to do is to upload our product on Ecwid, and once we've uploaded in Ecwid, we now embed them to our Google site. Now that way Ecwid will be our backend. So whenever you need to update a new product, you go to Ecwid to update the new product, and after that the product will be displayed on your shop page or whichever page you're using to sell these products. So I'm going to quickly I want to quickly sign into my Ecwid account so that I can show you very much important stuff that you need to know. Okay, so I'm trying to sign in now, so let me try and sign in, and then so that we can continue. So guys, I'm waiting for Ecwid to actually load up correctly so that we can proceed to the next things that we need to do. Now before we proceed to Ecwid, it's good to know that this is, like I said, we are going to be using Ecwid as the backend. That means we're going to upload our products to Ecwid. Ecwid will manage the backend, the delivery, how you want to deliver it. So you are going to set all those things at Ecwid, and then everything. So guys, this is the back end of Ecwid. Now if you don't have an account, like I told you, you can use the link I have in the description box below, or you go to ecwid.com and sign up. Okay, so once you've signed up with ecwid.com, you're going to be brought straight to a dashboard that looks similar to what you see. Okay, so once you have this dashboard, that means now you can proceed. So if you look at, there are a few things that you need to do. Ecwid will have showed you all the things you need to do, then you do it, you follow through. Okay, if not, if you know your way around, then you can go ahead to do stuff your own way. So that means right now this is where we're going to upload our product. So if you come over here to website, you can go ahead, because Ecwid might actually want to give you a simple website, but this method, Google Sites, is actually the best way to do about it. So you need to update your payment information here on payment, and then go ahead, and then any feature you want, you can go ahead to activate them right here on this Google site. So guys, now that we are here on Ecwid, okay, so I'm going to walk you through everything. So now you're here on Ecwid, so we need to make sure we upload all the products we need to upload. Now with the Ecwid free account, I think there are limited amount of products that you are able to upload. Okay, but if you have the pro account, any of the paid account, then you have some more features. Now if you want to know what the accounts look like, you can go to the Ecwid platform, and you're going to see what their pricing plan and their pricing package looks like. But I know it's very something not that is not going to break the bank. Okay, so but the application, the use cases is a lot, very much very good and different from every other platforms that you might see that is similar. So if I go to pricing, let me even see what the pricing looks like. Okay, so the pricing should be fair enough. As you can see, we have this starter for $5. Exactly what I'm saying. So you can use a starter and be able to upload up to 5 products, 70 plus templates to choose from. You have the default company domain, add a store to your site, or email support. Like all of these things are what you get on this starter plan. But of course, like I told you, all you just need to do as you're getting started, you don't want to pay anything yet. If that's your case, go ahead, go to products and upload all the products that you need to upload. Okay, so if I go here to products, my sales, you're going to see, if I go to catalog, then you can go to products. You can now add all your products. Now once you've added all your products, you need to add this thing to your website. Now how can you add it to your website? Remember, you've added your products, you've added payment gateways that you need. Now how do you add it to your website? Very simple. So you go ahead, come over to this website. For this website section, after website, click on overview. After overview, you're going to be brought straight to this section. So just locate this one that said add your store to one or more website. So just click on it and boom, it's going to bring you to this section. Then all you just need to do now is to scroll down. So you already know what you want to do. So you can do custom websites, that is add Ecwid to your custom website using widgets. Ecwid blend in seamless with any website. Okay, other platforms like site builders, as you can see. So right now I'm going to use this custom site. So if I click on it, we are going to be made to copy a code. So it's going to give us a code. Once we copy this code, once we copy this code right now, we will go over to the second section that says choose a page for your store. And thirdly, now paste the code into your page. So these are the steps, which are very, very simple. Now if you come over here to Google Sites, you're going to be brought straight to this section. And if I double click now, I'm going to have this section where I can add an embed code. So I'm going to call this I'm going to paste the code and then click on submit. Now it's going to pull up what it looks like. If it's actually correct, I can proceed. If not, then I can be able to still cancel the payment anytime. So right now I'm waiting for the embed. So I think it's worked. So I'm going to click on insert. Now the page that has all the information about the products we uploaded, both the accountants, shopping cart, shopping checkout, all of them, the pages here, as you can see here. So right now we just need to do some little tweak, do some adjustment. As you can see, it's loading, to add some adjustment to it, then still bring it down a little bit. So why are we using Ecwid to host our e-commerce website? So we're actually using Ecwid because of the feature Ecwid offers that we don't want to go a lot of stress about. Some of those features include payment gateway, shipping and delivery, and the like. So if you are into any kind of business, you see that if you're into like a service-based business, you might not be shipping anything, then it's a good choice. It's good for you to handle other stuff like your checkout and about us page and those other pages. But if the other case, so you just have to follow everything I'm telling you. So right now we have this section. So as you can see here, with minimal effort, we have been able to get here. So very simple, very good. So what we're going to do next is go ahead now, survey or preview what it is like or what it looks like. Okay, so once you preview it, make sure you adjust it where it needs to be adjusted, and then you continue with every other thing the way you want it to go. So right here, as you can see, we are previewing the site, and because we have not published the site, we are going to have a little difficulty loading the site. Okay, it actually loaded. This is the products on the site. Now all these products was gotten from Ecwid. So Ecwid just give us this for us to start. We can delete all of these things and then start our own. So that's exactly how it goes. So Guys, as you can see, this e-commerce store is actually looking pretty good. Everything is coming in place. Now if I have more time to spend on this thing, I can even do more, like adding all these pages like about us, contact us. All these pages should have maximum information. Like an about us page could talk about you, and a picture. Contact us page could include, you know contact us page is going to have all the contact information that is going to be needed in order for you to reach the company. So guys, this is actually an e-commerce website that we have created now using Ecwid. Okay, so if you have any question, tell me in the comment section. If you want me to talk about anything specifically, tell me in the comment section and I'll consider making those videos for you. So guys, without wasting your time, I'm sure you enjoyed this tutorial. This is exactly how to set up an e-commerce website. Now this is not the complete stuff. If you want to now do completely, you can do those complete ones, and every other stuff. But I've showed you exactly all that you need to know and kickstart that online journey with your business. So guys, I'm going to leave this video here now. If there's anything I did not cover and you would like me to talk about, tell me in the comment section. I'm going to read the comments so that I can be able to start adjusting. So thank you very much for watching. I believe this video was helpful. I'm going to see you guys on the next one. Thank you. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you very much.